Good morning, my friends. Today, inshallah, I'm going to explain the questions of quiz 3, Central Ideas and Details. And I will start with the first question. The first question is somehow controversial. Of course, credits to the College Board. We are using the material of College Board. Let's start with the first question. First question, based on the text, how do people in the capital of Mexico likely regard Dr. Malsfredo? How do they regard? This is central ideas or details. He's speaking about here. He's asking about a specific detail, which is how do people like this professor? I have a problem with this question, but I will start by explaining the model answer. Um, at the very beginning, I will go through the first question. It's saying, I will go to the first sentence. It's saying in the capital of Mexico that this doctor carries more secrets under his hat than any archshop. So it means that he keeps secrets or he carries secrets, just carries, not keeps. Until now, he carries more secrets than any archshop, and it seems that the archshop is the one that keeps secrets. So comparing this professor to the archshop who keeps secrets, um, we can say that this person or this professor keeps secrets the family, of the family. Then this is the first part of the text. The second part of the text will be an explanation of his appearance and the hat. Maybe it's a weird hat. It's rising, sinking. It seems supported. It has a fairy lock. If it had been brushed the wrong way, blah, blah, blah. So this part is a description of the hat. The last part of the text, which can confirm the first one, when the doctor takes it off, the family secrets do not fly out like a flock of parrots, but remain nicely bottled. So it seems that he keeps the secrets of the family. My problem is which family? Does it mean the country side or his own family? It seems here that he's talking about family as he's talking about the people themselves, not his own family, which I have a problem with. He could have elaborated this more. Does he keep his own family secrets, or family here refers to the people of his city, the capital of Mexico? Let's go through the choices. Many have come to tolerate him despite his disheveled appearance. Disheveled means he is ill dressed. Okay, I have no clue for this. It's not supported. The model answer is B. Few feel concerned that he will divulge their confidence. He will betray their confidence. Few will feel that he will betray their confidence means many people believe that he keeps secrets. And instead of saying many people believe that he's an honest person and he carries and keeps the secrets, he said few will feel that he will betray their confidence, which means many believe that he keeps secrets he is carrying. This is the model answer, but I have just the problem of their confidence. At the very beginning, I felt it could have been most would be unimpressed by him were not for his professional expertise. Maybe people will not be unimpressed by his appearance, but uh, or except for his professional expertise as a doctor, but it's not discussed in the text. Let's move to the next question. Thoughts in a zoo. The first two lines of the poem is very elaborative. Of course, he's asking, this is a detailed question. He's asking about what challenge do humans, by the way, this is one challenge, which means one problem, singular and plural, are important. What challenge do humans sometimes experience? Okay, let's move to the first two lines. They, thoughts in a zoo, they are in their cruel traps, and we are in ours. This is metaphorically, he is here metaphorically comparing humans to animals in the zoo. In what way? The animals are in their cruel traps. We pay attention to the adjective. Cruel, this is negative. So that's a negative situation. So those animals are cruel in traps, and we are in ours, which means we are also trapped like those animals, and we are the um passing the hours. Then go through the lines at the very end. Some lofty soul and dreams and visions. It's the same here. Can you see that? Traps, and here we have dreams, we have visions, but we are trapped, but in the stifling flesh securely trapped, which means we have dreams, we have visions, we have aspirations, but they are trapped. Let's go through the choices. What is the problem? One problem humans experience. They cannot tame wild animals. Of course, this is clueless. It doesn't have to do, the text or the poem doesn't have to do with taming animals, wild or whatever the animals. So the term taming here is not supported in the text. So I will eliminate A. We cannot do humans, they here refers to humans, cannot focus on setting attainable goals because the lack of motivation. Don't we have motivation? Yes, no, we have. We have, this contradicts with the last two lines. We have dreams and we have visions, okay, but they are trapped. When I say lack of motivation, we don't have motivations, we don't have visions, we don't have dreams, which is incorrect. They humans become frustrated when faced with difficult tasks, many difficult tasks. It's not supported in the text. It's all the question of our dreams and visions that are trapped. We are like those animals in this way. So the right answer is D. Humans have aspirations. Yes, we have aspirations, and I can match aspirations to dreams and visions cannot be fulfilled because of certain limitations. I can match limitations to the word trapped. Let's move to the third question. Uh, Based on the text, how are polarons believed to be involved in the superfluorescence observed in a specific study? Okay, he's also asking about details here, not as the central idea. Okay, let's start at the very beginning and try to map the text itself. In the superfluorescence, electrical charges known as dipoles emit light in synchronized bursts so intense that they are visible to the eye. It seems strange, but we're talking about those electrical charges, which are called dipoles. They emit light so intense and they are visible. So they are visible. يبقى I will just highlight the most important words. Superfluorescence, we have something called dipoles. They are electric charges. They synchronize or whatever, so intense, and they are visible to the eye. Until recently, this phenomenon has only been observed at extremely cold temperature. Because whatever, they cannot be synchronized at high temperatures. So it means that this phenomenon, until recently, has not been observed at this phenomena has only been observed at extremely cold temperatures because they cannot work or they cannot synchronize at higher temperatures. Okay, then we have the transition but. Without thinking, before but, he believed that this phenomena only happens at extreme temperature. يبقى I have a phenomena, the dipoles, okay, in cold, happens only in cold temperatures. But without thinking, since but is a transition that can express a contrast relationship, يبقى أكيد after cold this phenomena can also happen in normal or hot temperature. So I have to predict the passage or what's coming up after those transitions. يبقى قبل but بيقول لي ان الفينومينا دي بتاعت الدايبولز بتحصل بس في الكولد temperatures. But يبقى اكيد اللي after but اهو observed at normal. This is what we predicted at normal temperature, which means the main issue is temperature. If we go through, okay, even the last sentence, thermal, can you see? So we have here temperature, we have extremely cold temperature, we have here room temperature, and here we have thermal interference. So this is the most important word in the text. If you go through the choices, you will find that only one choice mentioned this, which is choice B. Allow for dipoles to synchronize despite higher temperatures.